Agroplatform is a Russian-supporting decision-making system for farms, agricultural enterprises, and households based on agro-meteorological data. It allows to plan planting time, select hybrids and varieties that are optimal for cultivation, optimize the application of mineral fertilizers, treat with protective equipment, plan crop rotation, control irrigation processes, simulate plant diseases in order to save plant protection, plan plant growth processes, and predict farm productivity based on agro-meteoprognosis models. Let us consider in more detail how that works. Homepage. On the main page, you can see the weather, both the current and the forecast for 5 days in advance, the total area of the farm, the ratio of crops grown, what crop is in what area, in percent and in absolute values. Farm. On the tab, you can see all the fields of the farm on the map, indicating the area of each individual field and the culture grown on this field. Weather. On this tab, you can see the current weather parameters for each field separately: wind speed, temperature, and relative humidity, precipitation, soil temperature, and humidity at a depth of 10 centimeters. Also, you can see the weather forecast a week ahead with high accuracy and detail parameters. Fertilizing allows you to plan fertilizer and plant protection based on predictive weather data for the next 7 days. For example, for the introduction of plant protection, certain conditions are necessary for temperature and humidity, wind speed, confidence in the absence of precipitation during processing, and within 2 to 3 hours after completion. The system automatically creates time period during artificial intelligence, which are optimal for entering a substance selected from the base list. In addition, the user can independently add to the list the substance that he plans to add and set critical parameters for him. Crops. The tab allows you to see the process of plant growth, taking into account the dates of sowing, the sum of active temperatures, and the amount of accumulated rainfall. This function, based on agro-meteorological data and agro-meteorological forecasting, allows you to plan the technological operations necessary at a particular growth phase, and is also the basis for modeling, predicting plant diseases. Irrigation. Section for monitoring soil moisture and controlling irrigation machines. The main panel allows you to quickly identify problem fields with insufficient moisture, red, and excess moisture, blue, as well as observe the current temperature of the root layer of the soil. The user farm has the opportunity in real time to see the current soil moisture in the root layer of the plant, thanks to the installed automatic stations for measuring soil moisture. In addition, the user can see amount of water poured onto the field, soil temperature at various depths, baseline at 3 depths in the root-in inhabited layer. It is possible to add depths, restrictions, as well as the amount of natural precipitation for any period. In addition, using agro-meteorological forecasting models, the farmer can see on the graph a forecast for 5 days ahead of the state of the water balance in the field, which will help to calculate the date and amount of future irrigation.